seance here. Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Hi, good morning. I'm LacQuora if you're new here. If not, welcome back. Today I have a VoxBox to unbox for you today, and it's Dior. I know, I'm so excited. So, I'm a part of the app called Influencer, and they send you VoxBoxes, which is usually just one product. Sometimes there's more than one, but it's free, and they send it to you for you to review. So this is our VoxBox this time around, and in here it has the Dior Dream Skin Care and Perfect. Get the skin of your dreams. So the card looks like this. It says, congratulations, you've been handpicked as one of the Dior's favorite influencers. So listen to the claims of this. We are excited to share the Dream Skin Care and Perfect, a skin perfecting formula that works like a primer. Dream Skin instantly blurs, perfects, and hydrates. It smooths the wrinkles while improving the appearance of skin over time for a lasting correction. Apply as the last step of your skincare routine to perfect your complexion or before your makeup to enhance your makeup results. 84% saw luminous skin after 7 days. 74% saw dark spots and redness appeared blurred, and 78% said their skin looked smoother. And this was blind tested on 125 women for 7 days. So this is not a first impression. I did open this when I first got it in the mail because I was too excited because it's Dior. This is what the bottle looks like, and the packaging alone is 5 stars. Like, look at the packaging. Can we just talk about it? It is gorgeous. They sent me the 50 ml bottle, and it retails for $120. Yeah, $120 for a primer. I know. Now, I did use this once before. I tried it on a no makeup day. So I used this on a no makeup day. It comes with a pump. And I noticed a difference on my no makeup day. So all I did was put this on my skin on Saturday. And I noticed that my face, it looked like my face had a filter on it. If that makes sense. Like, everything just looked softer, like a filter. Now, can you just tell? I just put 2 pumps of that on. I don't know. Maybe it's in my head. Maybe I just want to see the effects because it's $120 and I want to see it like right now. But I really want to see how it looks under makeup because I tried it alone all day and I did like it alone all day. I do have to say that there's a very strong scent to this and it doesn't really go away. You can pretty much smell it all day long. Even my husband like kissed my face after lunchtime and he was like, you were wearing some perfume, and I was like, no, it's actually just this primer. But here's the thing. I've been going back and forth about scent in my products, right? Scent in my skincare, scent in my primers. Now, if it's just scent for the sake of being like high and fancy and we're gonna put fragrance in our product, then get it out. We don't need the extra fragrance, right? But if there's fragrance in there, so if there's fragrance in there just for the sake of having fragrance in there, then I agree. I think you should take out the fragrance. But if the fragrance is there because they're using essential oils like flower extracts and you know, good good ingredients that also are scented because of the type of ingredient it is, then that's different. Because I feel like there needs to be like an offhand, like, yeah, this is $100 or $20 product, but it's highly scented. But is it highly scented because it needs to be highly scented, or is it highly scented because it doesn't need to be highly scented? You know what I'm saying? Am I making sense right now? If not, I'm sorry. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's Monday here. It's 5 o'clock and I'm getting ready. My birthday's tomorrow. I just realized that. I mean, my foundation is looking nice on top of that primer though. All right, I'll be right back, and I will be back to tell you how the rest of the makeup went on over the primer. So, in case you are wondering what I'm putting on my face, I'm just gonna speed through what I'm doing, but I will list and link all of the products that I'm using on top of the Dior Dream Skin down below. I'm just going in with my favorite products so that I know how they perform on top of the new primer, if that makes sense. I feel like it shouldn't be $120. I was talking to Travis about this because he was like, it sounds like you like it. And I was like, I don't want to like this because it's a $120 product. And I feel like there needs to be a cheaper version at the drugstore that's just as good. And he was like, but maybe there's not. Maybe it's just that good because it's $120. And sometimes the $120 version is what is the good one. And the other one just is okay, but it's not going to do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, we were going back and forth about this last night. And I don't know how I feel about it still. I just don't know. I just don't know. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be 27. Maybe I'll do like a birthday get ready with me or something. I have a mascara smooge. Smooge. Okay. So this is the completed makeup look on top of the Dream Skin Dior Perfecting Care and Perfect Magic $120 primer. Okay, I got some thoughts here about this primer. Got some thoughts about the primer here. The Dream Skin Perfecting Magic Primer. The $120 Magic Primer. Can we just talk about it? The $120 primer. It's $120. Step one. I just don't. Okay. 2, does it look good on your skin on a no filter or a no makeup day? Yes. I can say that I wore this on a no makeup day and my skin looked like it had a filter on it. I could not see my fine lines as much. My freckles were softer. My pores looked a little blurred. Even my husband was like, your skin just looks pretty today. Yeah. Can I open up the bunny's cage? Yes, you may open up the bunny's cage. Thank you. You're welcome. However, it's $120. I can't. So I was like, the true test is when we put makeup on top of it. Okay, so I put this on as my primer. You saw me do it. Put my makeup on. You saw me do that too. All of my makeup applied super evenly and super soft, filter-like. Do I like this primer? Yeah, I really do. I really do like the $120 primer. Do I think it's worth $120? I don't know. I don't think so, but if there's really good skincare in here, then probably I can justify the price because I'm willing to spend money on skincare because skincare is what makes your skin healthy. Like, it's not the makeup, it's the skincare. So if there is actual good skincare stuff, ingredients in here, then, and that is why the price is $120, then I can get behind that and I understand. If this is just like full of fragrance and a primer that is the same primer, yeah, honey, I'm gonna have to keep playing with it and using it and seeing how I feel about this $120 primer. I mean, it's gorgeous. It looks beautiful. Is it worth the $120? Okay, fragrance. I can see where the fragrance is coming from as I'm reading the back of this. There is extracts in it. I believe those are, at least the flowers would be essential oils, and that would be where the fragrance is coming from. Yeah. Anyways, so that's my unboxing of the Dior Dream Skin Care and Perfect and my try on of it and my thoughts. I'm going to keep playing with it and I am going to keep you posted. I honestly cannot tell you that it is worth $120. Do not go out and buy this and think that it's going to change your life. I don't know. Well, so that's all for this Get Ready With Me / unboxing of my VoxBox. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm going to keep testing this out and seeing if it does what it says it's going to do over time. The packaging is gorgeous. The packaging is worth it. The packaging is adorably so soft and smooth. Like, this brings smooth to a new level. I don't know how to describe how this feels, but even my husband was like, this feels luxurious. Like, it's just packaging. Yes. But is the stuff inside the packaging worth it? If you want to spend the $120 to have the feeling of this luxurious primer, you don't mind highly fragranced things, that doesn't really go away. I mean, it smells like a delicious perfume, but it doesn't, the scent lingers on your face. And, so yeah, if you have the extra $120 to spend and you just want to test it out and you want to try it for the experience of trying it, then go for it. Do I think the primer itself is worth the $120? No, I don't think the primer itself is worth the $120 just because I feel like I got the same effect from this primer, which is $58, you know, and that's that's still up there for a primer, but that's still half the price. Can we just think of that? Okay. So yeah, I don't know. Sorry. If you were coming to this video to find out if this was worth it or not, I can't really tell you, to be honest with you. I've tried it twice, and while, yeah, I think it's a great primer, and I like it without makeup and with makeup now that I've done my makeup, do I think it's worth the $120? Maybe it's just being who I am, loving the drugstore finds. I don't know if I can tell you it's worth the $120, but if you have the extra $120 to spend, it's a good primer. That's where my thoughts are. That's where I lie. If my opinion changes on it, or I decide that, like, it's the best primer in the entire world after you're finishing the bottle and everybody needs it, then I will come back and I will definitely let you know. But for now, I'm leaving it with it's a good primer, but I can't spend the money again. Ugh. Or it's a good primer and I couldn't spend the money because I got that for free. But yeah. Anyways, if you liked this video, guys, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the world to me. And until next time, I hope you liked it. Bye, guys.